Hello YouTubers, today I will show you a best solution for working on any programs when you don't have enough storage space in your PC. So let's start it with this online Python compiler. This is super easy code, and when you can run it super fast. So the offline compilers are brilliant, but we have to install different compilers for each language manually on every system physically, which requires a lot of space, and also it is not easy to carry the code to multiple systems. But using an online compiler or IDE, your code can be accessed everywhere. No setups and configurations are necessary, without any hardware limitation. The cloud-based compiler helps a lot to improve the productivity of programmers. So when we come to online compiler, they are very easy to fire up and use with a web browser and active internet connection for sure, and that's all. Compile, save your code, and access it from anywhere without any overhead of management and resource limitation. This web-based application can be used remotely through any network connection or devices. There are lots of online compilers available in the market, so it will be challenging to choose the best one. But don't worry, here in the description I will list for you the top 5 free online compilers. You should to try this at once. Also, I think the best one for especially for Python, it's compile not just Python, for C++, for C#, and JavaScript, and Java also, and it's super fast. I will put the other compilers in the description, so please like and share and subscribe.